Hi friends, my name is Vishal Girita and this is my first video. It's my first video, so everybody please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please like it. Today everyone is putting their views on the social media, so I also thought that I should also put my views on the social media. If you like it, please share it. I was seeing the videos of many people who put their views, but I saw one small pinpoint there. Their views were painted in a ideological manner. Means their views tell that they are following a certain ideology. So first from today I am starting this channel as a partial talk. If anyone want to put their videos, please send me your videos. I will put them on this channel. Means this partial talks, this channel will put your means the partial videos. You cannot speak from a certain ideology. Means you cannot speak a nationalist ideology, not a liberal also, not leftist. You should be partial. Means what the scenario is doing this, means we should speak on that. You can see the talks on debates of news. What are the debates? We see how a journalist should be speaking. Means this journalist now that in this debate, today's debate, they are giving their views, and this wrong thing for democracy. A journalist should never give his view when a debate is going on. He should just conclude the debates of the people around him. Miss, uh, when the two parties panelists are brought, the journalist should bring, conclude, segregate their views and the second party's views. He should not give his remark on the other party's views. The one party should be speaking lot, but the journalist should not be done. And the bad thing is happening today. Miss the journalist supporting one panelist, and this is happening. So I thought that I should make something new and tell the people. Miss today's scenario. You miss what are the topic in news? Hmm? The main topic: abrogation of 370, triple talaq, hmm? and Ram Mandir. Hmm? You see the 3 point. A Hindu-Muslim angle is given, but I don't think it's a Hindu-Muslim angle. This is a country's issue, democratic issue. We should not participate in this debate like this. Because if a country or democracy decide abrogation of 370 is good for our national interest, we should support it. If Ram Mandir, the Supreme Court had given the decision, means if we are again questioning on this, we are questioning on the Supreme Court. Then means we are questioning of the Supreme Court. We are saying the Supreme Court is wrong. This is the uppermost authority. You are saying that the uppermost authority is wrong. Then in which country you are living? I should tell the people pack up, and you can get a citizenship from many countries in Africa also. You go there, you invest there, and take citizenship there. You like the country. Or Pakistan is also offering many people citizenship who are questioning on our nation. Means this channel, today I had made this channel partial views. Means I have not name up to name the channel, but I will name it partial views. This will tell the scenario what is happening. The video quality is not good because I am making the video on the mobile. Due to this COVID-19, I cannot go in my office. So please take care of this. Miss, today I want to tell the people. Miss, I saw the news of Shine Bagh. The people were saying that they want to cut Assam. With some speeches I saw on the YouTube. But are these elements good for our society? What are these elements doing in our country? These elements are harming our country. Means I am not saying there are people who want to protest for good also, but there are people who want to use these protesters. If the people, anyone protesting in Shambab see my video, I want to tell them, why you are protesting like an idiot? You really you are an idiot. You are protesting there. If you want to protest, protest with a mindful game, mindfully, not mindful game. See, you are asking equal right for a Hindu and Muslim. Then why don't you ask for uniform civil code? Go in the Supreme Court. Go not if you can pressurize the government from the Shine Bagh. Then why can't you pressurize government to ask for uniform civil code? Ask for uniform civil code, where a Hindu Muslim there. First of all, the Hindu Muslim should not be there only. Not any religion. I don't want to be a Hindu. I don't want to be Muslim. I don't want to Parsi, Jain, Sikh, Isai. Means there should be religion, but it should be in our home only. Why do you want to bring in the politics your religion? If you want to pray for the God, pray in your home. There are mosques, temples, means churches. Go there, but don't make it political. And the second question comes: if uniform civil code is brought, what will it do? If uniform civil code is brought, then many people say our reservation will go on. No reservation, everyone will be equal. First of all, I am OBC Kunbi reserved. Maratha Kunbi I am in OBC. No? I also get OBC reservation, but I think it's not useful for me. But it was useful to get admission in college, because other people use reservation, so I also have to use that reservation. You people may be saying that why don't I give up the reservation? But if all are using the reservation and I am not getting the seat, then I should also use the reservation. That is happening. What should we do about the reservation? Ask the government to put a clause in a uniform civil code. First of all, I want to tell the government that how to deal with this reservation matter. First of all, renew everyone's income certificate in the country. You may be questioning how can we renew income certificate of every individual? This is the main crux of this reservation. First of all, renew everyone's income certificate in the country. See, now no one is socially backward. First of all, I want to tell, these are the fucking talks happening in the Supreme Courts. This is socially backward, that is socially backward. No one is socially backward. No one any Hindu majority people go and beats in a Dalit colony and tell them do this work and do this. These are the social media dogs who are wandering in here and there and saying this happened. Nothing is happening. Here also in my Dindori, the Dalits are living in a peaceful with Hindu. I have many friends. Everyone is like us. They now, first of all, they are socially backward, but no one is now socially backward. If some people are socially backward, who are they? Tribal people. Who want a real reservation? May I tell you? The tribal people, the people living in a very that villages, they didn't get their water to drink also. There are some tribal people who have reservation but who don't know how to use the reservation. If a SC reserve category man become any officer or become rich, means his children is using that reservation, not a poor SC peoples. I want to exclude these rich people from this poor. The talk should be of rich reserve category and poor reserve category. Means the rich who are become rich now 10 to 20% are rich and 80% are now also poor. This 10 to 20% should be removed, and that much percentage of people are removed, that much percentage of reservation should also be removed. And the remaining people, now 80% should be there, and they will get the remaining 80% reservation. And again in 10 to 20 years again do this survey, who became rich, who are not now socially backward, again remove them and remove the 10 to 20% reservation. If from the previous time it should be done, is our government use it as a political stunt, the reservation, to get votes. That's all. The reservation matter will be over in few 20 to 25 years. Or if it's going on like this, every political people will do this only. And if we are, then the religion matter will come, then caste matter will come, then again we are going to fight with each other. We are the illiterates. We are the learned illiterate people. Learned illiterates. Do you get it? Means we can learn everything, but we don't know how to deal with these small matters. These are very small matters, socially matters. We can make big software, we can invest in big countries, we can become rich, but we can't solve these small social problems. So I request everyone to be partial. Don't follow any ideology, the nationalists, the BJP, see, there are some sections. PM Modi, they are doing great. I really believe in this government. In this government, they are doing really great. A leader is good, but the background, the society, means the system. There are some flaws in their system also. They had made a great progress, and I heartily congratulate for their great decisions. And now this COVID-19 it will be soon over. And at last, I want to request the government. There should be no religion on anyone's certificate. I don't want religion on my certificate. Miss, I had asked the school also, Miss, when they were giving certificate, they had written the Hindu Kunbi. I asked them, why can't you write their Indian? They say it's system, because the upper official tell us like that, so we want to do this. If I want everyone religion should be Indian in the country. In India, the religion should be Indian, and in your home there should be your whatever you are. I don't want you people to bring your religion in the education also. Be there Indians. We are Indians. Why should we have another religion? There is Gita, Quran, Bible. Put it in your home. Don't bring it in the political scenario. These are not politics. If you are living in a democracy, you should follow the constitution. Means I'm not in hold the constitution. I'm not opposing Gita, not Bible, not Quran. They are your religious matter. Why do you want to bring in the society? See, a man is thought of his own. A man is made of his own thoughts. If I read Quran, if I read Gita, Bhagavad Gita, means everyone in my home reads Bhagavad Gita, and then I will say that this Bhagavad Gita should be read by everyone in the country. It's not good. I will only say the Bhagavad Gita should be read in my home only, for my family. I don't want to apply to whole country. If Muslim, in the Muslim they are saying jihad, means the jihad word is there. It's a controversial word. They want I don't want to touch these topics because it's controversy. Then in Bhagavad Gita also there are with dharma stapna. Means everyone, Krishna is saying to make the dharma stapna of the dharma, means Hindu dharma stapna. Leave these points. I only want to. I have a faith in this government, Modi government. They will bring the uniform civil code, and I want everyone to support for the uniform civil code. Please people, if you like this video, please comment and tell me on the second video on which topic I may make. And if anyone dislike, everyone has freedom of speech, but freedom of speech also has some limitation. Don't use slang words, and I will try to improve the video quality because of this COVID-19. I cannot get my computer and laptop, so I cannot make it. In the future, if your responses are good, I am going to make more videos for you and tell you about the partial democracy. We want to fight for the partial democracy. We don't want any ideology in this society. The end of ideologies should be there. We want everyone should be Indians in this country, only Indians. And if anyone want any, don't believe in this social media post. If this Muslim population will increase, they will make part. These are the only fucking talk. Don't believe in this. We are Indians here. I know I believe in my army, because when any big situation will come, I have faith in my army. They will deal with it. Believe in our Indian army, police. And if anyone want to question our Indian army, our Supreme Court, the uppermost authority, they are the uppermost authority, then I will only give them a last message: just fuck out of my country.